Imagine Cardano on the brink of a breakthrough, poised to launch into a parabolic rally reminiscent of XRP's explosive growth. Now, in this video, we're diving straight into the hard data, analyzing key Fibonacci retracement levels, exploring crucial support zones, and breaking down expert opinions that point to ADA gearing up for a massive rally. Picture this, Cardano trading around 70 cents, with the potential to soar as it tests critical levels that could ignite a rally similar to XRP's historic climb. And the thumbnail? Well, it isn't just eye candy. It's a snapshot of the technical setup that might be the next big opportunity. So if you're curious about how technical patterns like the Fibonacci retracements can set up the stage for a parabolic move, or what it means when analysts say ADA is ready to pull an XRP, you're in the right place. This isn't hype, it's a deep dive analysis into the indicators that could signal a turning point for Cardano. Let's kick things off with a headline that's got a lot of crypto enthusiasts talking. Analysts say that Cardano is to pull off a massive rally similar to XRP. Now, if you remember, XRP's explosive rally last November and December 2024 was nothing short of spectacular, smashing through resistance levels and setting new highs. So, what's the buzz with Cardano? Well, a well-known crypto analyst, 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘, recently took to X with some bold predictions. He's pointing out that Cardano, often referred to as ADA, is on the verge of a major breakout. Now, Steve's analysis centers around key technical indicators, particularly the Fibonacci retracement levels. His gut feeling? Well, ADA is ready to pull an XRP, at least he claims. And that statement alone should have you sitting up, right? So what does this mean in practical terms then? So currently, Cardano is trading at around 70 cents mark, right? Which is significantly below its December high of $1.32. Now, the analysis suggests that if Cardano manages to rally past certain resistance zones, similar to XRP's breakthrough during its rally, we could see a dramatic upward trend that might push ADA closer to its 2021 highs. So let's add some context here, right? Remember how XRP broke through multiple resistance levels during its explosive phase? Well, it not only achieved higher highs, but also hit a 7-year peak above the $2 range before momentum continued into January, inching it back to its 2018 all-time high. Now, trader Steve's insight is essentially laying out a roadmap for Cardano. If ADA can mimic even a part of that bullish momentum, it could lead to a surge in investor interest and market activity. So imagine this. You see a cryptocurrency sitting below its previous high for weeks, and then suddenly it begins to chart a course towards that long-forgotten peak. That's exactly the kind of scenario that gets traders excited, and it could have a ripple effect, pun intended, across the entire broader crypto market. So, as we speak, traders and investors are keeping a close eye on Cardano, eager to see if it can break free from its current range and replicate the rally that we saw with XRP. So in our next segment, we are going to break down exactly how these Fibonacci retracement levels are playing a crucial role in this analysis. But before we move on, let me ask you this, right? Do you think is Cardano really poised for a breakout? Or is this just another case of hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below, but a word of warning about all the scammers that are down there. If you want to waste their time, I'm all for that, but don't get caught out by all of their nonsense. As fast as I ban them, delete them, more and more bots keep coming. It's a problem that I can't deal with myself. So feel free to waste their time, or better, join us in our free Discord server that's linked in the description down below. Our security team do a fantastic job at making that one of the safest places in all of crypto. So go ahead, check it out. It's linked in the description. All right, let's shift gears and dive into one of the technical elements that's sparking all this excitement. the Fibonacci retracement levels. Now, if you're new to crypto or just starting to get into technical analysis, you might be wondering what exactly is Fibonacci retracement and why is it so important? Well, simply put, Fibonacci retracement is a tool that traders use to predict potential support and resistance levels in a price chart. It's based on the idea that market tends to retrace a predictable portion of a move, after which the price continues in the original direction. For Cardano, trader Steve has identified key support zones that are around the 61.8% and 78.6% Fibonacci levels. These aren't just arbitrary numbers, they're areas where many traders expect the price to bounce or face resistance. So imagine you're climbing a staircase. Each step represents a level of resistance or support. The Fibonacci levels serve as markers on that staircase, indicating where the price might hit a kind of barrier before moving higher. In the case of Cardano, this analysis shows that if ADA can find solid support at these levels, it could very well launch into a rally reminiscent of XRP's breakout. So let's break this down a little bit further. 61.8%. Now, often considered the golden ratio in technical analysis, this level is viewed as a strong support zone. If Cardano holds above this point, it's a good sign that buyers are stepping in. Then you've got the 78.6% level. This is another critical level that could serve as a turning point. A bounce from here might be the kind of catalyst that propels ADA upwards, right? So to give you some historical context to this, during XRP's rally, similar technical setups played a crucial role. Traders observed that once XRP broke through resistances after bouncing off these retracement levels, the momentum was unstoppable. Now, trader Steve is essentially drawing parallels between what happened with XRP and what could potentially happen with Cardano. With ADA currently trading at around 70 cents, there's a significant gap between its current price and its December high. This gap, coupled with the Fibonacci support zones, might just set the stage for a dramatic reversal. For those of you who love the nitty-gritty details, these technical levels offer a kind of roadmap. If ADA manages to secure a solid bounce at, say, the 61.8% retracement level, well, we could start seeing a push towards those higher highs, potentially revisiting previous peaks. And as many seasoned traders will tell you, these technical signals can be incredibly powerful predictors of market sentiment. So, how should you interpret this if you're an investor? Well, if you're already holding ADA, these levels could indicate a prime buying opportunity if the price starts to dip and then kind of bounces back, right? On the flip side, if you're considering an entry, keeping an eye on these support zones might help you time your investments to maximize impact. Now that we've kind of unraveled the magic behind these Fibonacci levels and why they matter for Cardano's potential rally, let's move on to what other experts in the field are saying about this exciting prospect. Next, let's bring in more perspectives, right? While trader Steve's analysis has certainly grabbed our attention, it's always wise to consider multiple viewpoints in a dynamic world of crypto, right? Two voices in crypto analysis space. You've got trader 𝗕𝗓𝗪 Jr. and analyst Jonathan Carter have shared their insights on what might be next for Cardano. First, we have 𝗕𝗓𝗪 Jr., who has been closely monitoring ADA's price action. Now, according to him, a key milestone for Cardano is the 81 cents mark. Now, if ADA can close above this level, it would serve as a strong confirmation of a bullish trend. In his view, failing to kind of breach that threshold might leave the asset stuck in what he calls a boring zone of kind of prolonged period of sideways action, right? Now, in other words, without the kind of that crucial kind of upward momentum, investors could see Cardano lingering near its current price without any significant gains. So why is that 81 cent level so crucial? Well, it represents a psychological psychological barrier, a level where buyers need to step in confidently to push the price higher. In technical terms, it could also be seen as a breakout point if ADA manages to break through. We might witness a cascading effect where investor sentiment shifts from caution to optimism, right? Driving the further kind of buying pressure, if you will. But 𝗖𝗢𝗪 isn't the only one with predictions. Analyst Jonathan Carter also weighed in on Cardano's short-term outlook. Carter has noted that Cardano is currently forming what is known as a bull flag pattern on the one-day chart. I think I spoke about this yesterday, actually, on my own TA, so you can check that out. We'll link it at the end of the video. Now, if you're wondering what a bull flag is, essentially is a pause or consolidation phase in an overall kind of upward trend, if you will. It's like taking a deep breath before the next big leap forward. So according to Carter, while the current price may offer limited upside in the short term, there could be an even better entry point if ADA experiences a dip, particularly near the 60-cent level. Now, this dip would essentially serve as a retest, giving the market a chance to absorb any profit taking before potentially bouncing back. Now, Carter projects that if ADA secures a strong bounce from that support level, it could target successive price points at 84.5, then $1, and ultimately $1.32.5. Now, these insights underscore a kind of few important takeaways, right? Momentum is key. Both Ewell Jr. and Jonathan Carter agree that overcoming current resistance levels is crucial for any sustained upward trend. Timing matters, right? Whether it's holding through a dip or entering at the right moment. Understanding these technical patterns can help investors make more informed decisions. And then there's market sentiment, right? With multiple analysts suggesting that Cardano might be gearing up for a significant move, the overall sentiment in the crypto community is starting to shift. It's a classic case of wait and see. If ADA manages to kind of breach those key levels, well, we could see, at least could be witnessing the start of something really big. So for all you Cardano enthusiasts out there, this is an exciting time, right? The combination of technical signals from Fibonacci retracement levels to bull flag patterns, along with strong analyst support, well, suggesting that ADA might actually be on the cusp of a breakout. However, as always in crypto, nothing is guaranteed. So it's important to stay informed, keep an eye on market trends, and make decisions based on careful analysis rather than hype alone. So to recap today's video, it took us on a bit of a deep dive into some truly exciting crypto news. We started by exploring trader Steve's bold claim that Cardano might be ready to launch a rally reminiscent of XRP's explosive growth and breakout. Now, if ADA manages to break past its current levels and hold strong at key Fibonacci retracement zones, particularly around 61.8% and 78.6% levels, then we could be on the brink of a significant upward move. Then we unpacked what those kind of Fibonacci levels mean and why they're so critical in technical analysis. Think of these levels as signposts that could help traders predict where the next price might bounce back to or stall. And with Cardano's current trading, or ADA currently trading at around 70 cents, there's a lot of potential for movement, especially if you can successfully retest those support zones. Now, finally, we also heard from additional experts like Ewell Jr. and Jonathan Carter, highlighted that getting a close above 81 cents could confirm a bullish trend for ADA, while Carter, of course, pointed out that a dip to around 60-cent level might provide a better entry point before Cardano sets off on a bullish run targeting 84.5 cents, $1, and possibly $1.32.5. In the volatile world of cryptocurrency, right, staying updated with the latest crypto news and market analysis is crucial. Whether you're a long-term ADA holder or just keeping an eye on the latest trends, now is the time to watch these technical signals closely. What do you think about Cardano's potential to pull an XRP? Or at least are you planning to hold or invest in ADA based on these analysis? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below, but like I say, be warned about all the scammers that are operating down there, or join us in our free Discord server linked in the description. Your opinion might just spark the next big discussion in our community. Now, if you found this useful and informative, make sure to hit that like button. The more likes we get on the video, the further that this message will be pushed to more like-minded individuals on YouTube. And if you want to stay up to date with all the technical analysis and the news, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another video. And of course, if you want to check out my own technical analysis, I'll link it right here. It's very interesting to where I think the price action's heading next.